New videos every day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Kraft, and today I'm going to talk to you about dental sealants. The first question that I'd like to answer is, what are sealants? Sealants are basically a plastic-like coating that you can put on top of a tooth, and the purpose of doing this is to help prevent cavities. Sealants act like a barrier between all of the things that go on in your mouth that can cause a cavity, like food, bacteria, acid, things like that, and the actual tooth itself. Let me go through the steps for you of how a sealant is actually put on a tooth. The nice thing about a sealant is that there's no drilling involved. Nothing has to actually change the tooth structure itself. The first step is the tooth is cleaned and cleaned really well to remove any plaque or any other debris that's on the tooth. Sealants are typically done on molar teeth that have deeper grooves. These deeper grooves can be a problem and make it easier to get a cavity because a lot of food, bacteria, and cavity-causing things can hide in those grooves, and the toothbrush typically doesn't do a good job of cleaning them out. On this diagram right here, you can see a tooth that has a deep groove. In the base of the groove is an area where that bacteria and food would be more likely to build up. What is done is a sealant material is flowed through all of these grooves. This picture shows a dentist or someone actually applying the sealant plastic-like coating to the tooth. After the coating is applied and is only put down in those grooves, we shine our blue light on that tooth. This blue light here that I'm showing you actually makes that sealant go from a smooth liquid to being rock hard. And that's what makes the sealant stick to the tooth. In this last picture here, you can see a tooth with a sealant in it. That sealant has flowed down into that deep groove and has coated the tooth, and helps to make it less likely that tooth will ever get a cavity. Two common questions that I get from my patients are these sealants visible? And how long will they last? The answer to the first question is, no, these sealants really aren't visible. They are tooth colored, and they're on the back teeth, which means that no one will really see them on your teeth. The other question that I get is, how long will they last? It's really hard to give an exact number of years, but 5 to 10 years or so. And at regular dental checkups, dentists, we often check these to make sure the sealants are still on the teeth and don't need to be repaired. From time to time, it's possible that a sealant could pop off of a tooth, and that's really not a big deal. We just redo the sealant. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment or check out my website at www.pecanparksmiles.com.